What's going on, YouTube? It's JNL. I'm back here again tonight. We're going to do another Pokemon opening video for you guys. We got the 16 team-up booster packs, and then you can decide to be an idiot like me and open one of these. Yeah, don't get them. Just watch the idiot open them that I am. Alright, so we'll get to that after I open a couple of these. I'll probably open like 8 and then, you know, hate myself for buying that. But we'll see. We'll see. Alright. Here's a code for you guys. Water. Morgan. Spiritomb. Viridian Forest. Joltik. Blitzel. Paris. Vullaby. Pidgey. Reverse holographic Tauros. And look, we got a tag team GX card. First pack off the back. Let's go. You guys let me know in the comment section how you guys have had some good polls. Let me know what polls you've had. And like and subscribe to the channel. I'd much appreciate it so we can keep this going all the time, because I want to do openings more often. Almost like every day. Let's get on the next one. If I can open the pack. Holy. 1, 2, 3. We got Fairy Energy, Dragonair, Unidentified Fossil, Rapidash, Klefki, Voltorb, Weedle, Vullaby, Dratini, Brock's Grit Reverse Holographic, and a Ninetales non-holo. And let me know in the comment section which is your guys' favorite Pokemon of all time. Mine's Charmeleon, I've said that before. But yeah, let me know. I'd love to know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Diana, Kabuto, Nita, Alolan Geodude, Mankey, Pancham, Ferroseed, Pidgeotto, Reverse Holographic Pidgey, and a holographic Omastar. Not really that holographic, though, you can barely tell. But holographic pull is a holographic pull. And I'll take them. Fighting Energy, Judge Whistle, Cosmog, Persian, Charmander, Mankey, Litten, Emolga, Mareep, Reverse Holographic Alolan Executor, and then we just got a regular non-holographic rare Alolan Executor. Love when that happens, huh? Grass Energy, Pupitar, Kakuna, Nidorino, Squirtle, Klefki, Voltorb, Weedle, Vullaby, Blitzel Reverse Holographic, and a non-holo Skarmory. Well, cool down after, you know, the first pack. I'm gonna get into that power box so I can feel sad even more. Oh, $25, bye-bye. You never know, though. I could get, like, you know, a first edition base set, first edition anything. Leaf Energy, Evelyn, Nanu, Farfetch'd, Zoru, whatever, Psyduck, Emolga, Staryu, Puchia, Zangoose Reverse Holographic, and an Eevee and Snorlax GX Tag Team. I'm super excited that I pulled another GX. It's awesome, but I just pulled this in the video earlier today, but it's still a win. A win's a win. Okay, I'll do one more of these and I'll go to that box. A win is a win is a win. Oh no. I don't know what happened. Stuff's getting real in here. Yeah, ghosts knocking down my cameras. Ooh, Psychic Energy, speaking of that. You going Emmet, Wartortle, Tauros, Lavatar, Psyduck, Vulpix, Ponyard, Alolan Geodude, Nita, Mighty Nita, as the, non-holo rare. Alright, let's get into the silly box. And then I can open the rest of these. Ay. Why do I do this? Why did I do this? Lost Thunder. Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. I mean, I like that, so I'll take it. Another Guardians Rising. There we go. Sun and Moon base set. And Evolutions. And it comes with a silly EX card or GX card, and I got Mewtwo. I mean, I have this. Yeah, see? So, you spend that $25, you get this. I'll do Evolutions. I mean, it would be cool if you actually pulled a vintage pack, but, I guarantee, most of these packs are weighed. But, I could be wrong. We don't know that for sure. Doduo, Pikachu, Machop, Growlithe, Onix, Reverse Holographic Rattata. Ooh, a holographic Gyarados. That's actually pretty cool. Huh. How about that? You got Venusaur, Spirit Link, Energy or Travel, and Nidorino. I like that. Do the base set Sun and Moon. I like that Gyarados. It's pretty cool. Huh. Maybe we'll get something good out here. Maybe this will have the best pull. Doubt it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy, Corsola, Trumbreak, Energy Switch, Paris, Chinchou, Alolan Rattata, Rongorola, Marini, Reverse Holographic Team Skullgrunt, and, yeah, regular rare, non-holo. We go to Guardians Rising. It really wasn't all that bad. I got 2 Guardians Rising, which has one of the hardest pull rates of all the sets, in my opinion. Okay, Energy, Mallow, Energy Recycler, Tentacruel, Fletchling, Litwick, Gothia, Pancham, Alolan Vulpix, Reverse Holographic Fletchling, and a Holographic Machamp, so that's another holo pull. It's not bad. Another Guardians Rising. It'd be pretty cool just to pull a GX out of this whole thing. Something. If you get a GX pull out of this box, that's a huge one. I don't think the chances are pretty good with that. Leaf Energy, Energy Lotto, Celebi, Marini, Goomy, Wailmer, Beldum, Rockruff, Machop, Multi-Switch, Reverse Holo, and a non-holographic Hellowisk. Get Lost Thunder. This is going to be the pack. I can feel it. Water. Kecleon, Netball. Now if we can get the secret rare Netball. Whitney, Marill, Onix, Morlul, Mareep, Wurmple, Reverse Holographic Lavatar, and another holo pull of this, though, Sukin. And that's pretty good. I got 3 holographic pulls out of that box. Better than nothing. Alright, let's get back to our team-up packs. See, just don't buy these boxes. Please. Let me buy them, and I'll, be the guinea pig for you. Do not waste your money. Energy, Nidorina, Sabrina's Suggestion, Alolan Graveler, Magikarp, Puchia, Alolan Geodude, Bronzor, Dratini, Zaru, Bronzong as the non-holo rare. I mean, I'm not pulling, I've only pulled one GX so far, but what are you gonna do about it? Nothing you can do. Last night I had a really bad time with pulls. Psychic Energy, Alolan Graveler, Brock's Grit, Pupitar, Alolan Geodude, Paris, Joltik, Blitzel, Squirtle, Nidoran Reverse Holographic, and another Bronzong. What's up with that? Who invited Bronzong? I didn't invite Bronzong. Psychic Energy, Alolan Graveler, Ammonite, Water Memory, Volibee, Dratini, Zaru. Oh, let me correct myself. I pulled 2 GXs so far, so yeah, it's actually better than I thought. Psyduck, Emolga, Reverse Holographic Kakuna, and a Holo Zeraora. That's another holographic pull. I'm getting a lot of holographic pulls. It's not normally the case. It's usually I get like GXs. I usually get more GXs than holographics. But I'll take it. It's still technically a win for me. Fighting Energy, Cosmiome, Hitmonchan, Jasmine, Pidgeotto, Charmander, Staryu, Litten, Zoru, Vulpix Reverse Holographic, and a non-holo rare Bisharp. Bishop? I mean, having good luck. I just want some GX. I want some new cards that I don't have in this set. I'm trying to complete this set. Energy, Flaffy, Jinx, Kangaskhan, Weedle, Helioptile, Execute, Ferroseed, Meowth. Reverse Holographic, Rare, Alolan Ninetales. It's a pretty cool looking card, though. Real nice. And then you get a Holographic Amistar Rare. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Actually, I haven't pulled the Reverse Holographic Rare Alolan Ninetales. There you go. Fairy Energy, Nidorina, Kakuna, Buff Padding, Meowth, Alolan Geodude, Grimer, Pidgey, Bronzor, Alolan Geodude again, Reverse Holographic, and a stinking rare Beedrill non-holo. Well, got 3 more of these, and that will just about do that. We got 3 packs left. Let's pull something good. Come on, I can feel it. I can feel it. Give me a secret rare. Fighting Energy, Ego and Emmet, Charmeleon, favorite Pokemon, Morgan, Litten, Zaru, Weedle, Joltik, Blitzel, Reverse Holographic Grass Memory, and an Alolan Exeggutor non-holo. 2 more packs, come on. Come on, I can feel the secret rare, come on. I can feel it. I can feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, see, Fire. Torracat, Jinx, Hitmonlee, Nidoran, Larvitar, Psyduck, Vulpix, Pawniard, Hook, Reverse Holographic Pokemon Communication, and then a non-holographic rare. Ooh, come on, give us something good. I can feel it in this one. I've said that on all of them, so obviously we're just not feeling it again. But this might be a secret rare. I can feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leaf Energy, Persian, Metal Goggles, Golduck, Mankey, Pancham, Ferroseed, Pidgeotto, Charmander. Ooh, there we go. Reverse holographic Jirachi. That's like $18 or something like that. That's a really good pull. I'm actually really happy. I was just telling my friend I pulled quite a few of these already, so that's a win. This is a really good card, a really good playable card in TCG. So, and then we got the non-rare, non-holographic rare Lapras. So, yeah, that's all what I have for you guys today. We can go over my pulls for the video. Let's see. Actually, a pretty good amount. I got 2 Amistars. Alright, so we'll go over my pulls. Got a tag team Eevee and Snorlax GX, really nice card. Latios and Latios tag team GX card. A reverse holographic rare Jirachi, which is a really good playable card, expensive card. Holographic rare Amistar, reverse holographic rare Alolan Ninetales, another holographic rare Amistar, holographic Zeraora, holographic Suicune, holographic Machamp, holographic Gyarados, and the EX Black promo card that they threw in the box. So, well, hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe, and I'll keep making videos, at least right now, 3 to 4 times a week. So yeah, hope you enjoyed.